How to create an AdFeed account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can create an AdFeed workout and meal planner account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you quick through this video. First things first, you can get the AdFeed application from your Play Store or App Store, install it up and open it up. Once you open up, now this is my first time ever opening an application, so you should get an interface somewhat like this. Now you can either choose to continue with email, with Apple, with Facebook, or continue with Google as well. So in my case, I'll just select continue with Google here. If you want to use Apple account as well, it is pretty simple. All you got to do is select it and then select the account that you would like to log in with or sign up with. If you haven't yet signed up with that account, you can sign in for that account and then proceed to continue. And you can see last step here, I agree, and then tap on continue here and you shall be able to log in. So this is how you can easily create an account, an AdFeed account. So tap on continue and it'll start loading data. Now it's taking some time here, but you should be able to set up real quick. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.